Joe Carter was a big, strong man. He was 6 feet tall. He lifted weights every day. Joe always looked fearless. Many girls loved this. He was always asked out on dates. One day, Joe was with one of his dates at a park. They were having a picnic. Joe was going to give the girl a kiss. Suddenly, a bee landed on his nose. Joe yelled like a little girl. He ran out of the park. He got in his car and locked all the doors. The bee had stung his nose. He sat in his car crying. His date left. "He looks like a man, but acts like a baby," his date told everyone.